Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we're going to look at the myGEKO Gear Orbit 956. This is a 4K dual dash cam. We're going to just unbox this for now, and hopefully not, as in hopefully we should have footage from this. When I do dash cam reviews, I think you know that I put the dash cam footage on here, but I just want to unbox this just to see what I'm looking forward to as far as the installation is concerned. So anyway, I open this up, and what do we have here? This looks like the front-facing camera, and looks like it has a little adhesive on top, so you fix it to your windshield, and this starts taping. Now, I haven't plugged any of this in. I have no idea how this works, so I know there's got to be a power source here. Okay, and totally not sure what this is, some hooks or something like that. But I see, aha, here we go. This is a power source of some type, and so is this. So we've got two power sources. Now, why would we need that? Simple. Because if this truly is a dual, which it looks like it is, at least that's what I'm told it is, this is it, right here. Check it out. This must be the rear-facing camera here. Right here, and I hope this one really works. Let me tell you, I've been wanting a rear-facing camera for a while, and if this can do the trick, then I don't have to worry every time I back out in the driveway. And yes, it is a constant worry for me. So it looks like this is one of those where you got to run some wire through, you know, through your roof somehow. And I'm beginning to realize what these little hookies are for. These are so you can, you know, stick them on your car's inner roof, then run this thing. So that's going to be what that's going to be. It's got this on the end, so I'm guessing this somehow goes into this somehow, somewhere. Where would that even go? Is that even... It's kind of weird. You know, it's kind of funny when you look at something and you think, hey, it's going to work like this, and you actually get it, and you're wondering kind of how it does work. Where does it plug into? Here we go. Right here on top. I'm sure that's how that works. And we'll try that out to make sure. So I'm guessing this power is the initial power system for this. There looks like a USB-C that plugs into here. Oh, actually, no, that's probably the place for the... here we go. This is probably plugs in right here. And then it also comes with this particular SD card. I'm told this is a 32 gigabyte, but it can take up to 128 gigabytes. So I forget the price of this thing, but for what it does, it's a pretty decent price. And I reviewed a product like this very recently, and it did me very well. And that was a very low price. I think that was a bit over $50 for that particular model. This one I think is about $190 something. And I'll double check on the price when I write it in the article, when I write up the article here. And I'll post some nice footage here, which will hopefully be right here. Okay, time to do a little recording of this thing, and hopefully this will save this time. Last time I recorded on this thing, it didn't save, and man was I mad when I got back. Let me tell you, I was kind of hoping to do the review at a certain time frame, and it didn't happen. So hopefully you can even hear the sound of my voice. Otherwise, I'll just put a subtitle here saying like, hey, this is what the driving footage looks like. And we're going to be driving through town. Welcome to Pullman, Washington, home of the Cougars. The WSU, Washington State University Cougars. And we're just going to be doing a bit of a drive-by, a drive around the neighborhood, just so we can see these lovely houses over here. That's cul-de-sac. Not much there. Okay, so I'm just going to drive around here, and we're just going to see what's up. Hopefully that the rear view camera, we're getting a view of that. I honestly hope so, because, yeah, I definitely want to show off the features here, and I like to do dash cam reviews with a little bit of dash cam footage in it. So hopefully you're hearing the sound of my voice, because I really don't want to do one of those stupid audio, what do you call it, when you put in audio. I don't even know the proper name. Yeah, Okay. So I'm hoping you're liking the view of what you see here. And yeah, check it out. So this is pretty cool. And it had better save the footage this time. But fortunately, this I was able to hit a button that actually does record. I didn't even know what the heck that did. A lot of the dash cams that I've reviewed in the past start automatically recording the moment they are plugged in. Not this one. This one you gotta tell, hey, record here. Now I know what I did wrong last time, and I can, wow. Geez, I don't know if you can see this, but from my front view camera, everything looks nice, but in the back view, everything looks kind of stormy. And I think that has to do with just the, hang on a second, maybe I can get this going on. Oop. Alright. Try and do my back window here. There we go. Okay, get some clearance on that back window there. Yeah. Gets soiled up pretty easily. And hopefully I'm not going to be, hopefully this isn't distracted driving thing going on here. If it is, I don't want to get in trouble. So I'm going to drive me to the library now and drop off some books. And yeah, we got some really good footage going on here. I'll try and keep talking all the way through it. So yes, that was me driving with this particular product, the myGEKO Orbit 956. And I highly recommend it, and it's available for a price of about $199.99. So get it if you want it. This has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.